Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Blobo 20-year-old here. So back again with Kookijars. Kookijars. You put your weed in it. That was exciting. I did the first unboxing and unveiling of the on-the-go stash pouch. Now I'm gonna do the unveiling of the large Kookijar magnifying stash jar. So let's check that out. Here we go. That was a good duty. I'm excited to start using all these Kookijars products. After I'm done unboxing everything, showing all you guys, I'm going to wipe it all out just to make sure it's a little bit sterilized because it's been through shipping. And I'm going to start enjoying them, putting all my cannabis in them. Check it out. So that is the large Kookijar magnifying stash jar. Beautiful. Let's check it out. As you can see, it's dark in color. It's not clear glass, and they do that on purpose to keep preserving your cannabis properly, because you don't want the light to get at it. Let's see what's inside here. So here's the jar. This is the lid. The lid's got the magnifying glass on it. But inside the jar we got Boveda pack. Thank you, Kookijars, for helping me keep my cannabis fresh while it's being stored in your awesome jars. We got Kookijars glass cleaner cloth, like a soft cloth for cleaning the lenses, which is really neat because that'll keep your magnifying glass and the lid clean. And we got some stickers in here, which there's a reason they included those. They gave this awesome theamazingflower.com pocket guide, and it talks about cannabinoids and THC, CBD, all the different cannabinoids, all the different terpenes. It's super awesome. That was included with like their thank you card in the box that they sent. So that's why they include the stickers, so that you can put your sticker on your jar to tell what you have in your jar based on what they give on your chart here, which is really cool. I believe that's what that means. I'm pretty sure that's what that means. So here we have the main thing that makes Kookijars one of the really cool things with their stash jars is the magnifying glass lid. So this lid goes on the jar like this, and when you put your cannabis inside, you can look through the lid and it magnifies it so you can check out your trichomes and see how beautiful your buds are while they're being stored. So it's to take pride in your product and not just smash it in a bag or a Ziploc bag or any type of bag. It's so you can have your cannabis being stored properly and on display and enjoy it. Thank you, Kookijars, for that large glass stash jar. I love it. I'll be using it today. I'll be putting some cannabis in there and taking more pictures and videos so everybody can check it all out. I'm not sure if you can see it magnifying the name there, but it definitely magnifies a lot. It's really exciting. It's really cool. It makes storing your cannabis and enjoying it a lot more fun and a lot better than just throwing it in a bag. Kookijars large glass stash jar. Thank you, Kookijars. I'll be using this today. Thank you. Peace. Go get one, everybody. Kookijars stash jar. Large black.